life's been pretty boring lately. I haven't been doing anything except work. I've been working from home and I was starting to feel like a recluse because I only left my house once this month and we're already January 15th. So basically all the hopes that I had about this year starting off on the right track are gone. Happy New Year. I hope it's off to a good start. I'm feeling optimistic about it and looking forward to what this year will bring. Hopefully some good things. That didn't happen, but I decided today I was gonna treat myself to some tartare. I placed an order. I'm gonna go pick it up just to get out of the house. I saw the sun kind of peeking through the clouds, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go get a little bit of vitamin D. And I'm also gonna stop at Starbucks. One of the influencers I work with sent me a gift card for Christmas, which was really nice. So I decided I'm just gonna go out, pick up some stuff, treat myself a little bit, and then get back to work. So yeah, later I'll be talking to you about kind of how I'm trying to motivate myself again, my goals for the rest of the month, and we'll try to do better for the rest of January. Okay, I just got back. Starbucks line was crazy. I've never seen that. There was probably at least like 30 cars. Like I would have had to wait an hour and I don't have time because I had to get back to work. But at least I got my tartare. If you guys like tartare and have never tried kudo, highly recommend. It's so good. I actually always get the same flavor, but I decided to switch it up. So it's a tuna tartare. There's ginger, wasabi, green onions, red onions, pomegranate, and cucumbers. Anyways, to elaborate on why I haven't been leaving the house, lockdown has been extended to February 8th. Everything is closed. I'm working from home. There's a curfew of 8 p.m. You really basically can't be going anywhere or doing much. So been going a little crazy. I've been super unmotivated, hence my tree is still up. I haven't taken it down. I still haven't unpacked from when we went to the cottage for New Year's Eve, but I'll be getting back into the groove now. Like I can't keep going on like this. I've literally I haven't been in a good space mentally, but I just whipped out my calendar. I wanted to start being more organized and writing down my goals and stuff. So I bought this back in December when my mood was super optimistic. So yeah, I'm gonna try to write down some things I want to achieve this weekend and this month. So instead of doing kind of like a resolution for the whole year, I thought every month I would write 1 or 2 bigger goals that I want to achieve that month. So at the beginning of every vlog, I'll tell you guys like kind of what I want to do, and then we'll see if I actually make it happen throughout the month, and I'll try my best to stick to that. So yay to getting motivated again. I'm gonna eat and then get back to work. How did we bring it in? Oh my god.
Because it fell, right?
Oh. Oh my god. As you can see, the tree's all gone, all the Christmas decorations are gone. Saturday I spent the whole day just cleaning the whole house, and it's kind of bittersweet. Like it's sad because it was really cozy and I love the holiday vibes, but like also it was time to go, and it feels good to like just feel like refreshed and clean, and it's kind of helping my motivation too. So yeah, I've been doing good since last time we spoke. As I said, I took out my planner and I actually got some things written down in it, so that's exciting. And I also just had this idea, I mean, not that it's original, but I just decided to create myself a vision board. So it's all of things that I want to manifest in 2021. A lot of it is very ambitious, but I'm just telling myself, like, if I really focus hard, these are all things I know that I could attain. So, and then maybe like review it at the end of the year and hope that I didn't completely flop. And it's funny because I was actually like cleaning out some stuff and I found like one of my old planners that had, like, you know, video ideas and stuff. So I'm kind of getting inspiration from my old self, and I'm going to be using some of the ideas that I had in here for this year. In terms of the things that I want to do by the end of the month, so we're already mid-January. I think they're doable because one I started working on already, which is just kind of like updating my channel, so the banner, the end page, like a little bit of like the vibe of like my thumbnails, and, you know, brainstorm on where I want to go with my channel. So I want that to be kind of done by the end of January, and then it's really time I clean out my closet. It's overflowing. It's not necessary for me to own all of those things. So I'm going to be tackling that and hopefully putting some stuff up for sale. Most of the time I give stuff to my sister, I give it away to friends, but I've always kind of wanted to start, I guess, a little shop of mine, even though it's just starting with old clothes that I've worn. A lot of it I really truly love, so I'd love for you guys to have the option of getting some of my pieces in your closet if you want. We'll be doing it this month and we'll stick to it. So yeah, you could probably tell just like the big change of mood I had. I also want to make healthier choices in general this year. My sister's a nutritionist and I see the stuff that she eats and it all looks so good. I know if I put a little bit more effort, I could, you know, maintain a healthier eating lifestyle while still enjoying the food that I eat. And there's these muffins that she makes that are so good, and she's like, Corinne, it's 3 ingredients, it's on my Instagram, just do them. So I'm gonna do that tonight. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna give her a little shout out because she's just amazing. She's really passionate about food and self-love and body positivity, and I feel like she's just such a good influence in my life, so I might as well share her. So yeah, I'm gonna be making these muffins. Sorry, I knocked your head. One of my friends, my best friends that I've been friends with since kindergarten, moved to Australia, and she had sent over a package for like Christmas. Oh. Oh, it's like a bunch of Australian goodies. Oh my gosh, a little koala, the dairy milk. By the way, she sent this package for like our whole group of friends, so I'm gonna have to get these to them afterwards. I'm actually gonna cry. I miss her so much. Okay. Oh man. Ashley, why'd you move so far? Oh my god. Okay, so they all have, they're all wrapped with our names on them. So I'm gonna have to find mine. Okay, one down, 10 million to go. Meg, I found mine. I feel like everyone has the same picture. It's us in Greece. I seriously missed that Euro trip. It was so much fun. Santorini 2017. I miss like all my friends so much. I'm like FaceTiming her, but I don't even know what time it is in Australia. She probably won't pick up. It's another thing. It's like so hard to get in touch with her because of the time zone difference. Here for now. I find it's fitting because I actually got all of these little seashells and rocks from that trip. So yeah. And I wanted to show you guys kind of another package I got that's worth sharing, I think. The brand that's actually local to Montreal. Everything's made in Montreal. It's called Tanit, and they have cruelty-free natural products. I haven't tried any of these yet, but I just love like the little packaging and what the brand stands for. So I thought I would share just quickly the things that I got. So this is a bamboo toothbrush. I actually also got toothpaste tablets, which is like I've never even heard of. We'll see what that's like. And then the thing I'm most excited about is actually a shampoo, but it's like a bar, like a soap kind of, and apparently it's supposed to help with like thin, greasy hair, which is exactly what I have. Tackling this and this and this and this too. Basically, it's going to be really tricky because I do not want to buy more hangers. I have 4 sets of 50, so I have 200 hangers. In my opinion, I should not have more clothes than that. So I want to clear out stuff. I want to clear out probably 50% of this closet, and it's going to be hard because I've probably done a closet clean out like 3 times during quarantine and COVID and stuff. So it's like down to stuff that I still really love, but I'm gonna have like, it's gotta go. Like my thing is like if I don't remember the last time I wore it, if I haven't worn it in a year, like it's gone. I really don't need this much stuff. It's just overwhelming, and I really want to work on downsizing my closet, and it's just a lot of maintenance and it's too much. I don't need all that. Ever thought I would say the words, I have too much clothes and I don't need it, because I guess that's what growing up is. I also want to make more room for Matt. I'm just taking over everything, so let's go. I'm just gonna take out sections and go through them and really think about whether or not I need to keep this in my closet. Like for example, the first thing that I took out is a super adorable embroidered dress, and I wore it once in Greece, and like I love that it reminds me of Greece, but like I really should just pass this along to someone who will give it some more love. This was my grandma's, so I'm definitely keeping it. I wore this to my university graduation and I love it. I haven't worn it since, but I'm gonna keep it. This is super cute, but definitely hard to wear, and it's been years, so it's time to go. I think I might sell this one too. See, these are all things that I still really like. Like I said, I got rid of all the stuff I didn't anymore, but it's just like things that I'm not wearing, so. One of the first sweaters I thrifted, and I still love it. One of my favorite turtlenecks. Definitely keeping. This is a really cute cardigan, but for some reason I just never wear it. Time to go. I find this piece so cute, but it's so hard to wear. This is a maybe. I don't know what to do with that one. So I actually wore this dress on New Year's Eve, the first time I ever kissed Matt. So I'm definitely keeping it just for more like sentimental value. I don't even know if I still fit in it. It had like a nice open back. Yeah, I felt good in this dress, so keeping it. So I'm popping in because it's already the end of January and I'm pretty happy with what I achieved. I finished the YouTube stuff that I wanted to do, the new banners, some like new graphics, and just like a vision of where I want to go in with my channel, if that makes sense. Definitely trying to make it a little bit more personal, more vlogs, which is something that you guys actually requested when I asked on Instagram, and just like different content than just fashion, mostly because it's actually something that I've drifted. Even like when I watch YouTube videos, I'm watching less fashion and more like home stuff and like DIYs, and anyways, so I'm gonna try to incorporate that more in my channel. So yeah, really happy. I cleaned out my closet. It's not I couldn't get rid of a lot of the pieces, but I do have some leftover hangers and everything. All my clothes in my drawers and my wardrobe and stuff is all organized, so it just feels good. My sister and I did shoot some clothes to put up for sale. The only thing is I didn't set up the store yet, but by the time this video goes up, considering how long it takes for me to edit stuff, for sure the store will be up and live by then. I will put like a little discount code on the screen here, so if you're coming from this video and then you go to shop, I want you guys to have like a little discount just for thanking you for watching my video and supporting me. So yeah, super exciting things. Hopefully this motivates you to just kind of get up off of your bed or your couch and do a little something too. I promise you it will feel good. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Love you guys.